Cay is a bit of a breeding ground for birds, its own little sort of ecosystem on there. We'll touch back on that in a second. Next to that, that sort of more mountainous looking island, that is Fitzroy Island. So that's a continental island, whereas the last three have all the sand cays. That one is just made how most islands are formed. Green Island and Fitzroy Island are both lovely islands to go out for on a little day trip. You can go snorkeling straight off the beach, hang out there. It's a nice relaxing day out there. I'm going out there in a few days actually myself. And then off behind us here is they'll use their beak, they'll eat up all of the dead coral, rock, and they'll absorb all the algae out of it, and then they'll excrete all that coral and rock back out as white sand. It's made up of soft corals. So soft corals, they kind of look more like plants than they do coral, kind of a bit more leafy and more flesh-like in texture. They are soft, so they do move around with the wind and the waves a bit more than obviously your hard corals do, but coral is an animal, obviously. Mechanism. If somebody or if some fish come down and tries to grab it or bite onto it, it will excrete sort of a white goo out of the front of it, which is actually its internal organs. So it'll excrete that out, and it's very sort of long, stringy, and it'll stick to literally anything. And then a fish will get hit by that, and that'll obviously scare it away if the fish gets unlucky. There's an animal that runs through there, well, that is the coral's animal itself, and it feeds mainly through the sunlight. There's like scallops and mussels, all those sorts of guys. They sort of range from anywhere to about this big to a little bit smaller. And they will find a section of rock, they will take care of it, make it their own little garden, but they're going to protect that little section of algae with their life. I've had, even yesterday, I was down snorkeling, and I had those guys sort of swimming up to me, trying to chase me off and away from their algae patch. They're a very small fish, they don't have any teeth or anything like that, but they in the future of it as well. You would have all paid a small reef tax when you all came on board, before, when you were booking online, anything like that. What that does is that goes towards the government fund for the Great Barrier Reef, helps out with things like public moorings so people can enjoy it a bit more, maintaining all of our channel markers, everything like that, so everyone can experience the reef a little bit easier. But it does... Yeah, tell me that, I just got to do it. Thank you. It goes towards some other training up those crew on how to do surveys on the coral, the reef life down there, and just some very basic and general things. But the quantity of the surveys that they would be getting from those tour boats would be higher than any sort of quality of anything that any scientific boats would get.
Yeah.